Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson on extending custom features in LS Central POS. In this session, you will learn how to extend POS functionality and tailor it to your business needs, specifically by creating custom POS tags and creating custom POS commands. These features allow you to display dynamic information on the POS screen and execute custom business logic, all in an upgrade safe way. First and foremost, let's start by creating a new POS tag. In LS Central, POS tags are used to display dynamic values on the POS interface, such as totals, counters, or calculated values coming from backend logic. Let's say we want to display the total number of transactions completed today. This should be per store, per terminal, or even per staff, depending on the business logic. To achieve this, we extend the LS POS tag in. We add a new tag, for example, POS transaction count today. This tag will represent the value we want to calculate and display on the POS screen. Next, we define the logic that calculates the value for this POS tag. We subscribe to the appropriate POS tag context event. Inside the subscriber, we calculate the total number of transactions for today. Optionally, we can add filters such as store ID or staff ID, and we then set the calculated value into the POS session. This ensures the value is available globally during the POS session. Now that the POS tag and logic are ready, let's display it on the POS interface. Steps are: open the POS tag setup, create a new POS tag with the same name as defined in the enum, configure it on the POS panel. For example, we place it on the main screen right next to the staff or terminal information. Once configured, the POS automatically retrieves the value from the session and displays it. As transactions are completed, the POS tag value updates dynamically, and cashier immediately sees the updated transaction count. This works on any panel and the value is refreshed automatically at runtime. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is creating a custom POS command. Custom POS commands allow you to add new actions that can be triggered from POS buttons. To create a custom POS button, we use a code unit and the table number property must be set to POS menu line. This binds the code unit to POS menu actions. As you already know, LS Central POS flows an event-driven architecture, so when a cashier clicks a button, the firmware detects the associated command and it dispatches the call to the correct code unit. There are four main steps: create a code unit, set table number equals to POS menu line, register the command, which provides command name, description, and code unit references, implement the command logic, that is, write the business logic in a clean procedure, and the fourth is configure and test the command in POS. Let's walk through an example. We create a custom command called reset comment. This will clear the transaction comment entered earlier by the cashier. Inside the code unit, the on-run trigger checks whether the command is being registered or executed. During registration, command name, description, and code unit reference are provided. During execution, we retrieve relevant values from POS menu line. For example, current receipt number or transaction context, and we then perform the required logic. POS menu line provides several predefined fields that are automatically populated before the command executes, making it easy to access transaction context. Next, let's look at registering the command. Open the POS external commands, create a new command, enter the function code same as in AL, and click register. This binds the POS button to your custom logic. Once registered, add the POS command to the POS panel button. For example, under more functions, you can right click on this button and click on button properties. And here is the command for that. Now the command is ready to be used by the cashier. To test, add a transaction comment, verify it appears on the transaction. Execute the recent command. The comment is cleared successfully. This confirms all four steps are complete: code unit, registration, logic, and POS configuration. Now it's your turn. We have included practice challenges in the course. Create a POS tag that displays total transaction amount for today. Create a POS command that prompts for customer nationality, uses an alphanumeric keyboard, and saves the value to the POS transaction. These challenges are built directly on concepts covered in this and previous lessons. That wraps up our session on extending LS Central POS with custom tags and commands. Using these features, you can display meaningful real-time information, add custom actions, and tailor the POS experience to exact business needs, all while remaining upgrade safe and maintainable. Thank you for watching and happy coding.